The tragic story of Sikh woman Gursimran Kaur, the mystery at Walmart. It's the early hours of October 19, 2024. The Walmart store in Surrey, British Columbia, is quiet as employees go about their shifts. Among them is 19-year-old Gursimran Kaur. She's just like any other young worker, bright, ambitious, and ready to build her future. But on this night, something unthinkable happens. Gursimran's life ends in a way no one could have ever imagined. Her body is discovered in the store's walk-in oven. Panic spreads, and soon the entire community is talking. How did this happen? Was it an accident, or could something more sinister be at play? Gursimran Kaur had recently moved to Canada. Like many young immigrants, she was chasing dreams of a better life. She worked hard at her job in Walmart while balancing her studies. To her family and friends, she was a kind and cheerful person. But now, instead of celebrating her achievements, her loved ones are mourning her loss. The news of her death spreads quickly, shocking not only the local Sikh community but the entire country. When the news broke, the community was in shock. How could something so horrifying happen in such a small, tight-knit town? Rumors started to swirl. Was it an accident? Could someone have intentionally caused this? When the police arrive at the scene, they begin their investigation. The circumstances are unusual. A walk-in oven is not a place where someone would typically be found. The authorities have many questions. How did Gursimran end up there? Was it an accident, or did someone deliberately harm her? Could this be a case of workplace negligence? As the investigation unfolds, the media picks up the story. Speculation runs wild. Some believe it was a tragic accident, while others suspect foul play. For weeks, the police remain tight-lipped. The community demands answers. Protests are held, with people calling for a thorough investigation. Gursimran's family is devastated. They refuse to believe that her death was just an unfortunate accident. The police conduct interviews, review security footage, and analyze the scene. Every detail is scrutinized. But as days turn into weeks, they find no evidence of foul play. No signs of struggle, no suspicious behavior from co-workers, nothing. Finally, a month after Gursimran's death, the police make an official announcement. They declare the case non-suspicious, ruling out foul play. According to their findings, Gursimran's death was a tragic accident. But for many, this conclusion raises more questions than it answers. How could a young woman end up in such a dangerous place unnoticed? Was there a lapse in safety protocols at Walmart? Could something have been done to prevent this tragedy? Some people question the thoroughness of the investigation. They wonder if the authorities missed something or if the case was closed too quickly. Gursimran's family struggles to find closure. The pain of losing a loved one is made even worse by the lingering uncertainty. This story isn't just about Gursimran Kaur's untimely death, it's about the importance of workplace safety and the need for answers in the face of tragedy. It's a reminder that even in the most ordinary places, life can take unexpected and heartbreaking turns. Gursimran's story has left a lasting impact on her community. It's a call for action to ensure that workplaces are safe, that tragedies like this don't happen again, and that every life lost is given the respect of a thorough investigation. Though Gursimran Kaur's life was cut short, her memory lives on. Her story serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of seeking truth, even when the answers seem out of reach. As the community continues to mourn her loss, one thing is clear: Gursimran Kaur will not be forgotten. Her story will be a voice for change, a push for better safety standards, and a symbol of a community's strength in the face of tragedy. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, or forget to, and I'll just keep reminding you next time.